How to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account if you have not already. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and then tap on the plus icon at the top right side. From the menu, select post option to start the process. Once you are on the post creation screen, you can enable the multiple images option or simply hold on an image for a moment and it will allow you to select multiple images at once. After selecting more than 10 pictures, tap next. Here you can add background music, text, filter or edit your images if needed and then tap next again. On this page, you can add relevant hashtags, captions, locations and other details. Once everything is done, tap share to publish your post. It will take a few moments to complete the publishing process. And that's it. This is how you can post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.